Hello, Rosie. How are you today?
Hi, Tim. I'm good, thank you. How about you?
I'm doing well too. Are you busy today?
Not really, just a little. I have some housework to do, but it's okay.
What time do you usually wake up in the morning?
I usually wake up at 6 o'clock. I like to start my day early. It helps me feel fresh and active.
What do you do after waking up?
I brush my teeth and wash my face first. Then I drink a glass of water. After that, I prepare breakfast.
Do you eat breakfast every day?
Yes, I do. Breakfast gives me energy for the day. I never skip it.
What do you usually eat for breakfast?
I usually eat bread and eggs. Sometimes I eat noodles or porridge. I also like to drink milk or tea.
Do you drink coffee in the morning?
No, I don't. I prefer tea because it's lighter. Coffee makes me too awake.
What time do you go to work?
I go to work at 8 o'clock. My office is near my house. It only takes 10 minutes to get there.
How do you go to work?
I usually go by motorbike. Sometimes I walk when the weather is nice. It's good exercise for me.
What do you do at work?
I work in an office. I answer emails and help my boss with reports. I also talk with customers.
Do you like your job?
Yes, I like it. My coworkers are kind and helpful. I learn something new every day.
What time do you finish work?
I finish work at 5 o'clock. After that, I go home to rest. Sometimes I stop to buy food on the way.
What do you do when you get home?
I change my clothes and take a shower. Then I relax for a while. Sometimes I watch TV or listen to music.
Do you cook dinner every night?
Yes, I do. I like cooking because it's fun. I try new recipes sometimes.
What is your favorite food to cook?
I love cooking fried rice. It's easy and delicious. My family also likes it.
Do you eat dinner with your family?
Yes, always. We talk about our day while eating. It's a happy time for us.
What do you do after dinner?
I wash the dishes first. Then I sometimes read a book or use my phone. Before bed, I drink water and relax.
What time do you go to bed?
I go to bed around 10 o'clock. I try not to sleep too late. Good sleep helps me feel strong.
Do you sleep well at night?
Yes, I do. I sleep about 7 hours every night. I feel fresh in the morning.
What do you do on weekends?
I like to visit my friends or go shopping. Sometimes I go to the park. It's nice to relax after work.
Do you like watching movies?
Yes, I love movies. I watch 1 or 2 every week. My favorite type is comedy.
Do you read books in your free time?
Yes, I enjoy reading. Books help me learn new words. I read before going to bed.
Do you help your family at home?
Yes, I do. I clean the house and wash clothes. I think helping is important.
Do you like cleaning your room?
Yes, I like it when my room is clean. It makes me feel calm. I clean it every weekend.
What kind of music do you like?
I like pop music the most. It makes me happy. I listen to music every day.
Do you like to dance?
Yes, I love dancing. I dance when I listen to music. It's good exercise, too.
Do you play any sports?
Yes, I play badminton. I play with my friends every Sunday. It's fun and keeps me healthy.
Do you like to go shopping?
Yes, I do. I buy clothes and food sometimes. I like looking at new things.
Where do you usually shop?
I go to the market near my house. Sometimes I go to the mall. It depends on what I need.
Do you use your phone a lot?
Yes, I use it every day. I chat with my friends and check the news, but I try not to use it too much.
Do you like taking photos?
Yes, I like it very much. I take photos of nature and food. I post them on social media.
Do you use social media often?
Yes, I do. I use Facebook and Instagram. It's fun to see what my friends are doing.
Do you like traveling?
Yes, I love traveling. I want to see new places. Traveling makes me happy and free.
Where did you travel last time?
I went to the beach. The weather was beautiful. I enjoyed swimming and walking on the sand.
Who did you go with?
I went with my family. We spent 2 days there. It was a great trip.
Do you like the mountains or the beach more?
I like the beach more. I love the sound of the waves. The sea makes me feel peaceful.
Do you like to take pictures when you travel?
Yes, I always do. I want to remember the places I visit. Photos are good memories.
Do you have many friends?
Yes, I do. My friends are kind and funny. We like spending time together.
What do you do with your friends?
We talk, eat, and laugh a lot. Sometimes we go shopping or watch movies. It's always fun with them.
Do you have a best friend?
Yes, I have one best friend. Her name is Lily. We have known each other for many years.
What do you like about your best friend?
She is honest and caring. She always listens to me. I trust her completely.
Do you talk to your best friend every day?
Yes, almost every day. We talk on the phone or send messages. It makes me feel close to her.
What kind of TV shows do you like?
I like cooking shows and dramas. They're fun to watch. I also learn new recipes.
Do you watch TV every day?
Not every day. Sometimes I'm too busy, but I watch on weekends.
What time do you watch TV usually?
I watch after dinner. It helps me relax before bed. I don't watch too late.
Do you like cartoons?
Yes, I do. They are funny and colorful. I still enjoy them sometimes.
What's your favorite cartoon?
My favorite is Tom and Jerry. It always makes me laugh. I loved it since I was a child.
Do you like rainy days?
Sometimes I do. Rainy days make me feel calm, but I don't like going out when it rains.
What do you do on rainy days?
I stay home and read a book. Sometimes I drink hot tea. It's a cozy feeling.
Do you like sunny days?
Yes, I love sunny days. The weather is bright and warm. It makes me want to go outside.
What's your favorite season?
I like summer the most. I can travel and swim. Everything feels lively.
Do you like flowers?
Yes, I love flowers. My favorite is the rose. I keep some in my garden.
Do you have a garden at home?
Yes, I do. I grow flowers and vegetables. I water them every morning.
Do you like animals?
Yes, I love animals. They make me happy. I think they are our friends.
Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a cat. Her name is Mimi. She is very cute and playful.
What do you feed your cat?
I give her cat food and fish. She likes both very much. I also give her milk sometimes.
Do you play with your cat?
Yes, every day. We play with a ball or a toy. She always runs and jumps around.
Do you like to go out at night?
Not often. I prefer staying home and resting. But sometimes I go out with friends.
What do you do when you feel tired?
I drink some water and take a short nap. Sometimes I listen to soft music. It helps me feel better.
What do you do when you feel happy?
I smile and sing. I like sharing my happiness with others. Happiness grows when we share it.
What do you do when you feel sad?
I talk to my best friend. She listens and makes me laugh. Then I feel better.
What do you do before going to bed?
I brush my teeth and wash my face. Then I say good night to my family. After that, I go to sleep.
Thank you for sharing, Rosie. I enjoyed talking with you today.
You're welcome, Tim. I liked our chat too. Have a nice evening.
You too, Rosie. See you tomorrow.
Bye, Tim. Take care.